How to use and amend the drawing tool menu. To use drawing tools on a chart, simply utilize the quick bar at the top of the platform. Select the desired tool and start adding it to your chart. By default, you can choose from tools such as vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, Fibonacci retracement tool, text tool, and various arrows. The first two buttons are cursor types, normal cursor and crosshair cursor. Like the timeframe menu, you can customize this menu by right-clicking on it and selecting Customize. The list on the left shows all available tools, while the list on the right shows the tools currently on the menu. Use the buttons in the middle to move tools to your desired locations and rearrange the menu order using the up and down buttons on the right side. To add a drawing tool to the chart, select the tool you want and click on the chart where you want to place it. Once applied, you'll see little boxes indicating the tool is selected, as shown with the rectangle tool. When selected, you can move and resize it. To deselect, double-click on it. If necessary, double-click it again to reselect. To change a drawing tool settings, double-click on it to show the little boxes, then right-click and select Properties. In the Comment tab, you can change characteristics like colors, names, descriptions, and line thickness. The Parameters tab allows you to change the precise coordinates, and the Visualization tab lets you choose which timeframes the tool is visible on. Once satisfied, press OK. To delete a drawing tool, double-click it and press Delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click on the selected tool and then click Delete. To see a list of all drawing tools on a chart, right-click the chart and select Objects List. This will open a window showing all the drawing tools on that chart. From here, you can select each tool and use the buttons on the right to locate it, amend its properties, or delete it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos.